Anthony, bring me your telephone. You gonna dunk it, Nate? You gonna dunk? Yeah? Whoa, you're tall. Can you bring mommy the basketball? Bring me a basketball. That's a ball, yeah. Oh, nice throw. You almost made it in the hoop. You playing b-ball? Oh, good throw. Nice try. A little bit higher, maybe. Playing hoops. Oh, nice try. Keep practicing. Good job, Nathan. A little bit higher. Maybe if you step backward, you're kind of close under the hoop. Yeah, good job, buddy.